Right. Everyone see the 15.1 exercise yesterday. We started, but unfortunately it will be cut. Time is over. Now today we are going to discuss exercise 15.1. Exercise 15.1. First problem, everyone see. Find mean deviation. Find mean deviation about mean, about the mean. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data exercise 1 to 2 problem. For the data exercise 1 to 2 problems. Exercise 1 and 2 problems. Okay, na? 1 to 2 problems. Okay, right. See, the problem is first problem. What is the first problem is given by? What is the first problem is given by? Everyone see 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 12, 13, and 19. Okay, na? So first, what they are telling the mean find out. After then mean deviation find out. First mean. So solution of the problem is mean is represented by x bar. So what is the mean formula is sum of the marks, sum of observation, sum of the observations. Sum of the observations means sum of the marks by number of students, by number of observations. Number of observation means number of students. So here sum of the marks is equal to 4 marks, 7 marks, 8 mark, and 9 mark, and 10 marks, and 12 marks. 12 one student will get, 13 one student will get, 19 one more student will get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students. By number of students is the 8. 8 students mark. First student get the 4 mark, second student get the 7 mark, third student get the 8 mark, and fourth student get the 9 mark, fifth student get the 10 mark, sixth student get the 12 mark, and seventh student get the 13 mark, and eighth student get the 19 marks. But now, so 4 plus 7 is the 15. So 11, 19, 28, 38, 38, 40, 50, 50, 69, 79. And next one is 79. Now we can see once again. 4 plus 7 is the 13, 19, 28, 38. 38 means 40, 40, 50, 50, and this is, I hope that 17. This is the 17. This is the 17. Sorry. This is the 17. This is the 17. 17. Now see. This is the 20, 30, 30, 42, 52, 52, 52, 61, 69, 69, 69, 76, 80. 80 by 8. 80 by 8 mean, so mean x bar is equal to 10. Mean x bar is equal to 10. Mean x bar is equal to 10. Okay, na? Right. Next one, I go through the mean deviation formula apply. Mean deviation about mean means using the mean. Mean deviation mean is difference with given mass. So this is the average mark. 10 marks is the average. So this is what is the distance from the each marks. 10 is what is the difference from the each mark. That is the sigma modulus of xi, each mark minus x bar, mean mark by number of students. That is equal to 4 marks minus 10 marks of modulus plus 7 marks minus 10 marks modulus, 9 marks minus 10 marks modulus, plus 10 marks minus 10 marks modulus, plus 12 marks minus 10 marks of modulus, plus 13 marks minus 10 marks of modulus, plus 17 marks minus 10 marks of modulus by number of students is equal to 8 students. Now the 4 minus 10 is the minus 6 by the modulus plus 6, minus 3 by the modulus plus 3, minus 1 by the modulus plus 1, 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 by 8. Okay, na? So now the value is, so 9, 10, 10, 22 by 8. 22 by 8. 22 na 24 na see 6 plus 9. One more is there. 8 I will forget. Sorry. 8 minus 10 plus 9 minus 10. 8 means here is the 2 is there. I forget. Here is the 2 is there. 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 na 7 minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Now we can write down. Now write down. Now we should be write down 3 plus 2 plus 1 by, now we should be write down 6, 9, 10, 12, 14, 17, 24. 24 by 8 mean that is the 3. That is the mean deviation. First problem is clear. Everyone go through the second problem first. We can move through the second problem. Second problem, everyone move towards second problem. Everyone move towards second problem. Right. Second problem is, everyone see, 38, 70, next 48, 40, plus 42, plus 55, plus 63, plus 46, 54, plus 44. Number of students count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Mean value find out. Mean value is, so add all values. 38 plus 70 plus 48 plus 40 plus 42, 42 plus 55 plus 55 plus 63 plus 46 plus 54 plus 44 by number of students is the 10. Now carefully add. What is the mean? Write down. First I will add first 3. I will see this 3 and this 3, this 2 and these 3, these 3 and these 2. Okay, na? First 3 to 5, 8, 9, 10. 38, 108, 108 plus 48. 108 plus 48. So 16, 156. Okay. 40 plus 42 is the 82. 156 and 82. One more is completed. Next, 55, 63. 55, 63. 55, 63. 8, 11, 118. 118. Okay. Next, 46, 54, 44. So 10, 14, 9, 10, 14, 144. 144. Right. Carefully add, everyone add carefully. Carefully add. Add and write down. 10, 16, 20. So 12, 14, 20. 10, 15, 20. Again 20. 3, 5, 500. 500 by 10. 500 by 10 means what is the value is 50, right? Mean deviation, right on, Amma? So first one value, modulus of 38 minus 50 plus modulus of 70 minus 50 plus modulus of 48 minus 50 plus modulus of 40 minus 50 plus modulus of 42 minus 50 plus modulus of 55 minus 50 plus modulus of 63 minus 50 modulus of 46 minus 50 modulus of 54 minus 50 plus modulus of 44 minus 50 by number of students is the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 38 means 12. 12. Mean deviation is the 12 plus 20 plus 48 means 2 plus 10 plus 8 plus 5 plus 5 plus 13 plus 13 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6. 10 is came as 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. By number of students is the 10. Number of students is the 10. Right. Number of students is the 10. Right. Here is the 10. Here is the 1 times CM. 46 is the 4. Right. 4, 4, 4, 4, 6. Right. Now add 32, 34, 44, 52, 57, 57, 60, 70, 70, 84. 84 by 10 means 8.4 is the mean deviation. Second problem also completed. Right. Go through the third problem. What is the third problem we can see? Everyone observe the third problem. Third and fourth one model. Right. Everyone observe the third and fourth one model. Third and fourth problems. Find the mean deviation. Find the third and fourth problem. Find mean deviation about median. About median. About median. for the data exercise 3 and 4 problems. All right. Write down the third problem is 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12, 17. 12, 17. Right. Everyone do the problem is mean deviation about median. First median find out, Amma. What is the meaning of median is? Everyone observe. What is the meaning of median is? Right. Solution of the problem is see third problem. Everyone observe the third problem is first I am going to find the median. So mean deviation about median is required. Median means middle value. So first we have to write down. So in increasing order, first ascending order write down. Ascending order write down. Ascending order is 10. 11 is how many times? 2 times. 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 10 ascending order is 10, 11, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 12, 13, 13. Again, 13 is there. 13. Next, next 14, 16, 16 2 times is there. 16, 17 is the 2 times is there. 17, 17 and 18. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right. Median means middle value. Middle value. First, how many is there? 12. 6 we can see exactly 1, 2, 3, 6. Here is cut 6, 6, 6. So 3, 3, 6. In this one 14, in this one 13 is the two middle values. Now write down median is equal to two middle values is there. 13 plus 14 by 2 average take. What is the average value? Is the 13.5. 13.5. This is represented by median. Median means M value. M represented by the letter of M. Okay, na? Mean deviation about median. About median. Mean deviation about median. That is equal to formula is the same. Xi minus mean means X bar, median means M by modulus by number of students. So number of students is the 12 students, right? First 10 minus modulus of 10 minus 13.5, 10 minus 13.5 plus 11 minus 13.5 plus 11 minus 13.5, 11 minus 13.5 plus 12 minus 13.5. 13 is the 2 times is there. 13 minus 13.5. 13.5. 13 minus 13.5. Okay. 13 minus 13.5, 2 times is over. 14 minus 13.5. Next 16, 2 times is there. 16 minus 13.5. 16 minus 13.5. 17 minus 13.5. 17 minus 13.5. Next, 17 minus 13.5. 13.5. Last one is the 18. 18 minus 13.5 by total number of students is the 12. Right now, write down mean deviation about median. Simplify. Median is equal to 3.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5 plus the 12 minus 13.5 is a 1.5. Next 13 minus the 0.5, again 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 14. 14 is a 0.5, 14 is a 0.5, 16, 14 is a 0.5, 16, 2.5, 16, 2.5, 2.5, 17, 3.5, 3.5, 18, 4.5, 4.5 by 12. Carefully add, carefully add, everyone. Carefully should be add. What is the value is? 3.5, 2.5, 2.5 is the 8.5, 8.5, 2.5, 2.5 is the 5, 4, 3.5 plus 5, 10, 1, 11, 11, 3, 13. Total is a CM. What is the value is? Total is a 3.5, 2.5 is a 6, 8, 8.5, 9, 10. Total is a 28 by 12. 4, 7 times, 4, 3 times. This is the approximately 2.33 continuous, right now. This is the mean deviation about median. Same model, you can work out the fourth problem. First, ascending order, write down. First, everyone go through the fourth problem. Everyone go through the fourth problem. Everyone go through the fourth problem. Right, go through the fourth problem, everyone. Same order. Fourth problem, everyone. 36, 36, 72, 36, 72, 46, 46, 42, 60, 45, 60, 45, 60, 45, 53, 49. Total is one term count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Right. Ascending order, write down. Everyone write down the ascending order. Least is the 36. Next to 42. Next to 45. Next to 46. 36. 42. 45. 46. Okay. 46. 49. 49. 53. 53. Okay. 53. Next, say 60. Next, 72. Total count 2, 4, 6, 8. Right. Median is the middle value. 80 is there. 4, 4 separate. 4, 4 separate. In this one value, in this one value, because of, so even number is there. So 46 plus 49 by 2, 46 plus 49 by 2, 46 plus 49, 15, 50, 95 by 2, 88, 95 by 2, 4, 2, 4 times 8, to 7, to 47.5, 47.5. Now write down mean deviation about median. First mark 36 minus 47.5. Second mark 42 minus 47.5 plus 45 minus 47.5. 46 minus 47.5. Next 49 minus 47.5 plus 53 minus 47.5 plus 60 minus 47.5 plus 72 minus 47.5 by total is the 8%. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now subtract 36. 36 means what is the rough value? You can see 47.5. 36 mean 5, 1, for me 11.5. Now write down mean deviation about median. About median is equal to 11.5. 42 minus 47. 42 means 5.5. 5.5. Hello? Hello?
Sir, in question you left two numbers, sir.
What two numbers?
In ascending order, sir. 60 and 45.
60 and 45. Already given 60 and 40. 36, 42, 45. 46, 49, 53, 60, 72. Clear na? Okay.
Yes.
Right. 5.5, 2.5, 2.5. Next 1.5. Next 1.5. Hello?
Sir, but in textbook 10 numbers are there, sir.
10 numbers. What are the 10 numbers? Tell me.
36, 72, 46, 42, 60, 45, 53, 46, 51, 49.
46 two times, huh?
Sir, I tell once again, sir.
36.
72. 46.
Right.
42.
Right.
60. 45. 53. 46.
46 is there again.
Yes, sir, and 51, sir.
46. 49 is not there.
It is also there, sir.
46, 49, 46.
51.
46, 51.
Yes, sir.
46, 51. Now, once again, you can see textbook 36, 30, correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay. 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 Right, CM everyone. Here is the one more value is there. 46 is the 2 times. 46 is the 2 times. Uh, sorry, 46 is the 2 times. Here is the, okay. Everyone see, 36, 42, okay. 36 over 42 over, next 45 over 46, again 46, 46, 46, okay, 46, 46 over, next 49, next to 49, okay, 49, okay, next to 51, next to 51, 53, 53, 60, 72. Right now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 5, 5 separate, Amma. 5, 5 separate, right? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? These two add 46 plus 49 by 2. 46 plus 49 by 2. That is equal to 47.5. 47.5. Okay. Now I'm going to write 46 2 times. Right. 46 is the 2 times. Write down, Amma. 46 is the 2 times. 46 is the 2 times. Write down, everyone. 46 write down. 46 minus 47.5. Okay, na? 46 2 times. 49 minus 47.5. Next, 51 minus 47.5. 53 minus 47.5 plus 60 minus 47.5. Okay, na? Plus 70 minus 47.5. Total count 10 is there. You can observe 10 is there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right. Write down now. Write down. Mean deviation. Mean deviation about median. Right. Everyone observe 3 minutes is there. I am going to explain. Listen. Evening 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Again, maths class is there. Again, maths class is there in that one. So, limits objective I will explain. Limits objective I will explain. Everyone note down. Objective explain. For those we are JEE student, those we are aspirant of JEE student, we have to join at 4 p.m. Limits maths class I will take. Objective I will explain. Okay, na? Right. Everyone note down that point. Right. Median. Now write down 36 11.5. 47.11.5 plus 42 means 5.5. 45 means 2.5. 46 means 1.5. 1.5. 2 times. 49 means 49 and 47.5. 8 means 1.5 plus 1.5. 51. 51 means 51 and 47.5 mean 5. 10 means 3. 3.5. 3.5 Everyone see 53 is. 53 is. Everyone observe. 53. 53 means 53.0, 47.5. 5. 12 means 5. 5.5. 5.5. 60 means 60.0, 47.5. 5. 9 means 2, 12.5. 12.5. 12.5. Next 70 means 47, 9, 10, right? 70 means 70, 47.5. Right now 5, 9 means 2. Here is 6 means 2, 22.5. 22.5 by 10. By 10. So one time count, Amma. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. Everyone add. Hello? Hello?